I was going through the Premier League website and picked up the statistics of my favorite footballer, Mohamed Salah. He plays for Liverpool and he appeared 49 games and with the 34 goals. So I thought of creating a PowerPoint presentation out of these statistics. Before creating the PowerPoint tutorial, I have downloaded three images. One is the Liverpool background, the second image of Mohamed Salah, and the third image of Liverpool logo. And this is how I have presented the statistics in PowerPoint. He plays for Liverpool, appearances 49, goals 34, assists 11, passing accuracy of 76%, and apart from that, he won the Golden Boot Award 2017-18 and Player of the Season 2017-18. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. I'm going to insert the picture of Mohamed Salah. For that, go to Insert, Pictures, and under the folder where you have copied the files, just select the Mohamed Salah picture and increase the size. And I'm going to remove the background of this image. For that one, go to Format and just say Remove Background. I'm just going to highlight only the picture of the image of Mohamed Salah. Let me just make it full. And if you see here, this is his legs are also it's removed. For that, I'm just going to select this mark areas to keep. I'm going to just draw like this. You can see that. Yes, that's it. So if I just click outside, now you can see that only that image of Mohamed Salah remains on, all the background is removed. Now I'm going to add the Liverpool background image. For that, go to Insert, Picture, and select the Liverpool wallpaper and say Send to Back. And you can just trim the image. And I'm just going to draw a rectangle, maybe this much, make it no outline, and shape fill. For that, I'll say eyedropper, and I'm going to select this color and right mouse click, go to edit points and just drag this down from one end and select the image of Mohamed Salah and bring to front. I'm going to further reduce the size of the image and bring it at the center, and I'm just going to draw one more rectangle. Okay, and I'll make it no outline, and shape fill I'll make it white, and go to the properties and you can just reduce the transparency level, and then you can just say Send to Back. Alright, and then I'm just going to add the Liverpool logo on top of that one. Go to Insert, Pictures, select the Liverpool logo and bring it here. I will just reduce the size of, yes, and then I can just give some background, some shadow here. For that, I'm just going to select, say, this particular shadow effect. I'm going to make a duplicate image of Mohamed Salah. Press Ctrl D, and shadow effect, instead of that shadow, I'm going to give a different shadow now, which is say this one. I can increase the distance, and then I can just put it on top of that image. I will give the shadow of for this object as well. For that, I'll enable the format shape, go to effects, shadow, and give say the offset top, and then I'm going to give some animation effect on this one. For that, go to animations, add animation, and I will say wipe effects. I'll make it from left. Alright, so this is my first animation. I'll enable the animation pane. So if you see this one, direction from left, and then I'm just going to select the image of Mohamed Salah and I will just group it. So I know that there are two images, so I'll just group that image, and I can maybe reduce a little bit, and then I'm going to give the add animation and go to more entrance effects, and I'm going to say basic zoom, and that should happen after previous. Zoom in from the center, you can make it fast or you can make it 0.3 seconds if you want. And then one more animation effect I'm going to give for that. Go to add animation, under emphasis I'm just going to say pulse. Okay, and that should happen with previous. So this is how the slide looks like now. The logo, right mouse click and group it. So if you can see, there's a group, but it has come to front. Again, I'll just say format, send to back. So for this animation, I'm just going to use add animation. I will say fly in, so it should come from below, and that should happen again after previous. Double click, timings you can make it fast. Effects, I'll just increase the bouncing effect here, smooth start and bouncing effect. So if you see here, alright, so this is very fast. I can just reduce a little bit, that's okay. And then I'm just going to add two more boxes, rectangles, which is the appearance and goal. Again, for that also I'm just going to do the same thing. Press Ctrl D, bring this here. I'm just going to delete the Liverpool logo, reduce the size, and add some text, which is, I'll say, appearances. And I'm going to use the font called Oswald. If you don't have, then you can use any other font. And text direction, I will just say rotate all text to 70 degrees, increase the size, and we can just change the color to say something this color. Alright, and then I'm just going to select both the text and the rectangle, and I will group it. Again, same thing, I will just say send to back. Maybe I will make it little and increase this one, and the same effect I'm just going to give. And before that one, so appearance, for that I have given the 49. Again, I'm going to add a text which is 49, give white color, increase the size, make it again Oswald. I'll make it bold and bring it here. For this also I'm just going to make a group. Again, send back, and then animation, I will see the same animation, which is fly in. If you want, you can make it with previous or after previous. This is also, I will increase a little bit, and this is how it looks like. Okay, the same thing I'm just going to copy, press Ctrl D, bring it here, and these are goals. I'll bring this up and further make it down, and this is like 34. If you want to increase the size, you can increase the size. Alright, so if you see here, again make it send to back, and alright, and then you can just give the name of the player, which is Mohamed Salah. I'm going to change the font style, make it Oswald, and make it white, italic and bring it here, and then I can just give animation which is appear. It should go here and make it after previous. And apart from that one, I have just want to add the football also here. Select the picture and then increase the size, and I'm just going to remove the background. I'm just going to keep, I'm going to select only the football here. All right, and just if you see the football is there, I'm just going to crop the image. And then you can bring it here. If you want to give, you can give some animation. For that, I'm just going to give some spin animation. All right, and then that should happen at last with after previous. So once you have done, your slide will look something like this. Sorry. So that's it from me, friends. Hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel OS VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.